Hello. So today we're going to do a morning self-massage wake up. So this is perfect if you're already lying in bed, even if the lights are still off, to slowly come back into your body, to wake your hands, your feet, your legs, your arms, slowly piece by piece your body up. So whether you're still in bed or if you're up drinking a coffee or tea, wherever you are, just close your eyes, come into your breath and just follow this little practice to really energize and wake up your body for the day. So first of all, as with any meditate anywhere massage, just come to your breath. Just take 3 deep breaths. And one more. Now with this meditation, just moving from the breath, just slowly bring your attention to your shoulders and your arms. And we're going to start with a very gentle self-hand massage. So taking the right hand and with the right thumb, just press really gently into the left palm. You can kind of dig in a little between the thumb and the first finger. There's some nice little pressure points there. But really go as strong or as gently as you would like. You could even pull the thumb a little, stretch the thumb out. And then one by one, take each finger, just sliding your hand, your fingers across that finger from the base to the tip, stretching each finger out. Very gently. Give your palm a little press again, a little nice massage. And really take the time to feel the palm. This isn't reflexology, but a lot of the points in the palm really relate to the organs throughout the body. So if you feel anywhere is a little tender and you want to give it a little stretch, a little extra pressure, just take your time, there's no hurry. Just play around. Just keep on the breath. And when you feel ready, move to the right hand, just doing some gentle pressure with the thumb again into the palm, pressing into the base of the thumb. It really can be quite tender sometimes, but really nice way to wake up. Just really feel that tension, feel the pressure. Then give the thumb a little stretch it out. Especially if you've been working on a laptop or computer most days, your fingers will really appreciate this. Just move along the fingers. Give them that really nice massage. Into the palm again. Then you can interlace the fingers. You don't have to be watching this if you're lying in bed, but just interlace the fingers and just stretch them out. It can be really nice. Then rotate the wrists. So you can really freestyle here. You don't have to be watching. As long as you're rotating the wrists, loosening them up, you can give them a little tiny shake. If you're lying in bed, you can just let them bounce in the bed next to you. And then moving up from the hands, you take the right hand and then just basically grip the wrist. Really just grip the wrist. And we're just adding pressure, moving up the arm. So just kind of grip, move up, grip, move up. So we're not using oil here. You don't want to be kind of massaging too much. The skin might be dry, it could be a little painful. But just gripping, adding that little pressure, moving up from the wrist to the elbow. It's a nice little grip. Really helps wake up the forearm. Then you can move up through the arm, through the bicep, into the shoulder. can do that one more time, starting in the wrist. And again, just always remember the breath. Whenever you notice that you might be holding the breath, just come back to the breath. You can even breathe, inhale and exhale with each squeeze at the arm. And then move to the next arm. So now the left hand onto the right wrist. Because the idea is here, just gently wake the body up. We're not jumping out of bed, jumping straight into action. We're tuning into the body, staying with the breath. Just allow yourself 2 rounds again from the wrist. Gently squeezing the arm. Working the way up. And as with all Meditate Anywhere videos, if there's someone in the next room, making noise, voices, kettles, traffic, whatever it is, I've got the sea behind me crashing, but it's okay, we just stay with it. Some sounds are more pleasant than others, but still, just allow them to be there. Okay, so I've worked up both arms now. You can do a nice little squeeze. Now you can bring the hands up to really gentle little head massage. It's a really beautiful way to wake up. So the way I like to do it is just kind of take the hands and just so the fingertips are into the skull and just massaging, shampooing, and I do these little sharp where I'm catching the skull and moving away. But you can also just keep the fingers on, shampoo deeply. So again, don't concern yourself if you're lying in bed, you're not actually watching what I'm doing, just shampoo. Then you can move into the forehead, just massaging the forehead and the temples. So if you're like me right now, your fingers are into the forehead and the thumbs are more around into the temples. So really massage into the temples. There's a lot of tension that we hold there. Staying with the breath. Your hair might look a little crazy after this, but that's okay. You'll have a little comb, shower, freshener. Keep round. And even round the ears, round the back of the ears. It's a really nice place to wake yourself up. It's just the neck, the area of the neck, into the jawline, round the ears, round the top of the ears. Really quite soothing, relaxing. Slowly waking you up. Ready for your day. Staying with the breath. Now you can bring your hands down maybe into the thighs, depending if you're sitting or lying, but you should be able to reach your thighs. Give the thighs a little squeeze, loosen them up. Down to the knees if you can reach there, and if you can't, that's absolutely fine. Just work where you can. Just around the thighs and the lower back. Wherever you're feeling any little tension. But don't just focus on the tension areas, it's really important that we work the whole area. Stay around. Now bring your hands to your belly. Just rest your hands on your belly. Just breathe into the belly for a moment. One more. Just allowing us to digest this moment, really taking the emotions, this relaxation. Maybe just lay your hand, your left or your right, whichever's comfortable, in the center of your chest. One on your chest, one on your belly. Focusing on your breath, feeling the breath come in and out. And gently moving your hands away. Just give yourself a moment for any extra little stretches, flexing of the fingers, rotating the toes, rotate the shoulders, the neck. Any last little stretches you want to do. And slowly, slowly, when you're ready, one last breath. Now really feel your sitting bones, your legs grounded. And if you're lying, feel your back supported, your head and your neck supported. Just tune into this support that you've given yourself for this day. And slowly open your eyes. So hopefully you're feeling a little more refreshed, a little loosened up. So this is a short little wake up for the day, and keep this energy, keep this vibe with you. So whenever if you get caught, if you get stuck, any moments of stress, you can come back into the palms. You can do the little forearm practice. It's a really nice way to ground. Just come back into the body, come back to the breath, because you can meditate anywhere.